There are details in nature you never know were there. Look familiar? What about now? Be it flowers or creepy crawlies, with macro photography you can get great close-ups of tiny things. Today, you're going to learn how to take your own amazing close-ups using equipment you may already have at home. To help me, I've brought a few friends. Before we start, let's have a look at our camera. It'll probably be in automatic mode, so first, change to macro mode. This can usually be found on the back of your camera with a tiny flower symbol. Next, look for a bright day. Not always possible, but the more light there is, the clearer our picture. Okay, now we need to make sure the camera is focused on our subject. You can do this by lightly pressing the photo button. Great, I think we're ready. And there we go. I think we're pretty happy with that. Why not have a go yourselves? Try our own macro activity, then get snapping. Got your own amazing photographs? Take a card and find out how to get these shown in this gallery.